Hey friends, hope everybody had a Merry Christmas and are looking forward to the new year. Hey, listen, real quick, I wanted to put this video out before the end of the year. Just heard a piece by a woman named Carol Roth, who is a former investment banker, but also a best-selling author on, she wrote a book called The War on Small Business and has written a couple of other books as well. And made me aware through a video I saw this morning of this change in retirement fund management that I think is important for everybody to know. So here it goes. Basically, since 1974, there's been something in place called ERISA, which stands for the Employee Retirement Income Security Act. And what that act basically said was that fund managers, places where retirement funds are invested, they have to act solely in the interest of the plan recipient, meaning they need to try to invest such that returns are maximized and risk is minimized. So that's, that it is their responsibility to do that. You put your money in the hands of other people who are now responsible for investing on your behalf. Well, apparently the Department of Labor passed a new rule the day before Thanksgiving this year that said that doesn't necessarily have to be done anymore. Fund managers are now given the liberty to invest where they think the greatest social benefit is being done, ESG, environmental social governance, and although it's retagged, they're calling it economically targeted investments, or ETIs. Nonetheless, either way, what it's doing is it's giving them cover to not have to act in your best interest anymore, but where they feel the greatest social benefit is being achieved with companies. Which we all know that when you're investing in companies with unproven technologies, which many of the green initiatives are certainly unproven, that there is a big risk of losing a lot of money. Well, they don't have to act in your best interest anymore, as long as they can justify it based on social credit scores. So I would encourage you that if you don't have control of your retirement funds, get control of them very quickly. As I've said before, look into this. I'm going to put a link to the video that I saw Carol Roth on in the comments, and do some research for yourself. As I've always said, decide for yourself, informed. Have a great new year.